Hello everyone! In order to be seen and noticed online is to create a Facebook post. That will help you to reach a bigger audience. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. There's a difference between posting on your profile and posting on your page. Let's start with the profile posts. Go to your Facebook profile. Click on the Create Post tab or plus in the top right corner. There is a blank space on which you have to click in order to start typing. Just by clicking one letter, you can click on the bottom tab Post and create one. Besides letters, you can also add emojis simply by clicking on smiley face on the right-hand side. On the left bottom side, you have a palette of colors. You can add background to your posts. Facebook changes the list of backgrounds from time to time. Choose the background according to your status by simply clicking on it. For example, if you're talking about love, you can go for hearts. If you're talking about nature, you can choose the green color, trees, flowers, whatever you feel fits you best. Background can be seen on the posts with up to 130 characters. If you go any higher than that, you will lose this feature. You can add a photo or a video to your post. Or both if you want to. Each photo can be edited from the app. You can crop it, rotate it, and tag people. Always make sure to stay in line with Facebook's recommended size. You can add more than one photo, but just one video. If you're adding photos from your phone, you have more varieties on the photo layouts, as you can see right now on the monitor. Adding video may take a few moments depending on the video's length, and last but not least, don't forget to add a caption. The next step is clicking on this Avatar tab. With this, you can add or tag people on your posts. Next comes Feeling Activity. You can express feelings or what you're doing at the moment. For example, feeling busy, feeling sad, feeling smart, whatever fits you best. The pin button is when you want someone to see the location, which increases the chances that someone finds you or your post just by searching the location. On Profile, you can add GIF. If you don't know what GIF is, you can check out our free tutorial, Social Media Language and Expressions. You can also hold a watch party. Watch videos posted by someone else and post it to your feed. Also, you can tag your friend and start a live video. More on that in our How to Create Facebook Live video. If you're creating the post from your profile, not from Newsfeed, you have one more option, Life Event. You can select one of the categories, or you can create your own. By clicking on a specific category, Facebook gives you the opportunity to choose an animated background, write the title, write the description, check in location, and write the date. If you go here, you can decide who can see your post. Whether it's public, for friends, close friends, lists you've created, only for you, and so on. Now let's see how posting works on Page. The first steps are roughly the same as for the profile. Writing, background, adding photos, feeling activity, check-in, watch party, but now we will go over the differences. Now, Facebook gives you the opportunity to create an offers. Discounts for your product and services. Choose the type of offer, percentage, item. Description is optional, but it may help customers to decide to buy what you're offering. Choose a photo that presents the item and set the time and the date when this offer will expire. Would you like this offer to be in-store or online? If it's online, provide an URL to your offer webpage. Call to action button. Great thing if you want to get new leads, sell, or to communicate with your audience. Each offer can be boosted, meaning that you can promote it. If you do not wish your offer to start right away, you can schedule it. Adding a video is done by clicking on the same button as adding the photos. When clicking on video options, you can add title, tags, add captions, generated or uploaded if you have your own, which can lead to the bigger reach. You can also change thumbnail. Choose from the suggested ones, upload an image, or choose from a video. The best thing is to have a personalized thumbnail for each video that you upload. Now, click on Save, or go to the Creator Studio. Then click on Video, Edit Post. First, you need to write down a title and description, that is, caption. Adding that, you can also express your feelings, pick location, use tags for your business partners, tag a product, or add a message button to your video. Tag your business means mentioning your partner and allowing your partner to boost this post, or allow the business partner to add a custom call to action button. If you're familiar with call to action, check out our free video, Social Media Language and Expressions. Tag product. What does it mean? Well, let's say that you can find some business trademarks on your photo. In example, there's a Leeds logo. And by tagging the product Leeds Tutorials, you're increasing the chance for bigger sales. One of the important things is that you can add tags, words that will closely describe your video or product, so if someone writes that tagged word, your video will show up in search. It increases the chances for someone to see your page. One of the interesting things is that during the video, you can create polls and decide how long will that poll last. You can add up to 6 answers. By setting minutes and seconds in poll settings, you're deciding the exact time when it will be shown to the audience. In the end, you decide when the results will be shown, after the vote, scheduled, or never, depending on whether would you like your audience to see it or not. Tracking helps you add labels so you can easily find your video among all other videos of yours. If your video is shot in 360 degrees, you're able to add more details. Remember, the more details you provide, the bigger chances that somebody is going to find it. One of the more important things about your video is that you can always add subtitles, simply by clicking on a button and adding the SRT file. If you think that your first part of video posting is done, click on the next button. Now, Facebook transfers you to the Publishing Tools tab. You can publish video now, set as premiere, schedule the date and time, backdate it if it's important for you to have it as a reminder, or to have a specific timeline. And at the very end, you can just set it up as a draft. When your video is 100% ready, be sure to publish it or schedule it. So a few more things are here to be done. By posting your video on Newsfeed, check in Display and Watch, and allow embedding. Check all those if you want it to be public. You always have the option to set the video as a secret one too. Also, you have options to create and add your video to a selected playlist. It is, for example, essential if you're using it as a main platform for your business. If you have episodic content, you can also add it to the section Series. And the most important thing is, you can make your video available on several different pages. That is, pages you manage. On your right-hand side, there's a checklist of the things you have done or not done. Feel free to use it. For more information about Creator Studio and how to use it, check out our video tutorial, Facebook Creator Studio, and Sound Collector. The next button is Messages. By adding that, someone can directly contact you in PM through your post without promoting your post, which is a great thing that someone can contact you directly without going especially on your page and then clicking on the Messages tab. Next on page is Get Gift Card Purchase. Perfect thing for micro and small businesses. This is a very helpful tool if you wish to be supported. At the very end for page posting, there is Host a Q&A. This part is very interesting because you can type what would you like people to ask you, and then just simply answer the questions. You can change the background color. Be creative with the questions and try to do it as often as you can. People like interactions. Now, when you publish the post, you can edit it, both on mobile and desktop. When going on 3 dots, there are several shortcuts that can help you easily manage what you have published. The great thing is that you can control who can leave comments on your post, view edit history, edit text, delete it, change audience, date. Good thing is that you can pin an important post on the top of your page. The user-friendly button is Boost Post, so you can promote your post at the same time when you post it. Check out our tutorial how to boost Facebook post. Also, you can schedule your post by clicking on Publishing Tools. Well, that's all from me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.